Hi, second graders, put your name at the top. Today we're going to learn about cups, pints, and quarts. Those are units of measurement that can measure capacity. Remember that capacity is how much something or an object can hold. So out of these three measurement units, cups is the smallest. Something that is about a cup would be a juice box. So on number 1, you're going to draw a juice box. There's its straw. And my favorite is grape, so I'm going to draw grape juice. Okay, and then down here I'm going to write juice. That's an E. Yikes, box. So a cup is the smallest that we're going to use today, and it's about the size of a juice box. Number 2, repeat after me, pint. Okay, something that is about a pint would be a bigger juice box, okay, like this, like an orange juice that you would share with your family over breakfast, or like Mrs. Powell's coffee mug would be about a pint, a thermos. We'll put thermos because not a mug. Mug is more like a cup. And we'll draw that. So it is a little bit bigger than a cup. Okay, and a quart would be like not the big thing of milk, but the medium size of milk would be about a quart. Something else that is about a quart would be, you can get a quart of paint, like a paint can that you would use to paint a wall in your house. I'll draw my paintbrush. Okay. All right. So cup is the smallest, then we have a pint, and then about a quart. Go to the inside. Okay, guided practice. Complete each sentence, write more than or less than. Number 1, a big mixing bowl. Would that hold more than or less than a cup? Remember, a cup is about the size of a small juice box. A big mixing bowl, that would hold more than. Let's go ahead and trace that. More than a cup. And they already have a cup, 1 cup in there. A paper cup that you would drink, a pint, which would be like a juice that you would share with a family. Would a paper cup, like the paper cup that we used to measure yesterday, would that have more than or less than 1 pint? Okay, that would hold more than. Okay, number 3 would be like a big thing of orange juice. Would that hold more than or less than a quart? A jug, a big jug. That would hold more than. Do you understand? Name something that holds more than a quart. Name something that holds less than a quart. Remember, a quart is like a thing of milk, the smaller thing of milk. Something that would hold more than a quart would be a bathtub. So we're going to write a bathtub holds more than a quart. And something that holds less than a quart, a spoon holds less than a quart. Go to the next side. About how much does each object hold? Circle the best estimate. Number 4, that's like a coffee, if you would make coffee, a coffee pot that you would make coffee for a lot of people. Would that hold about 1 cup, like one little juice box, or about 10 cups? That would hold about 10 cups. Number 2, a big pot like you would make for spaghetti. Would that hold about 20 cups or about 80 cups? Well, 80 cups would be a lot. It would hold about 20 cups. And number 6, a can of peaches. Would that hold about 15 cups or 2 cups? 2 cups. 15 cups would be a lot. Number 7. Use the picture to solve. Maria needs about 15 quarts of water to wash her dog. Which container should she use? Explain. Should she use the mixing bowl, the polka dot mixing bowl, or the bathtub to wash her dog? And tell me why. All right, go to the next side. Don't forget to do number 7. Yes, you must do it. Number 8, solve the problems below. Tom drinks a juice box. Does the box hold more or less than a pint? Well, think about, we said a juice box is about the same size as a cup. What do you think? Is it going to hold more than or less than a pint? And a pint is about the size of my coffee mug. Number 9, Mr. Kim needs a container that holds about 2 quarts of water. Which container should he use? A coffee mug, B, a water bottle, C, a big pot that you would make like a stew or spaghetti in, or D, a medium-sized pot. And number 10, draw a container that holds about 1 cup, then draw a container that holds about more than 1 cup, and write a sentence to compare the containers. When you're done, take it home.